Hello to everybody students, welcome to our English class. So hope all are eagerly waiting to know, I think. So today I am going to teach you the vocabulary part from our English textbook, children, which is very useful for the high school standard from 6th class to 10th class, children, right? So vocabulary part. So vocabulary part consists of many things, you know, children. So vocabulary part consists of many things. You can learn the difficult words from that vocabulary. Okay. So the difference between the words and their meanings, you'll be finding different kinds of things in the vocabulary, right? So I cannot teach you all the things in one session only, children. So today we are going to learn the new topic from the vocabulary part. That is, what are the homonyms? Okay. Homonyms. Okay, children. So everybody are seeing on the blackboard, I think. What are homonyms? Right? H-O-M-O, homo, N-Y-N-S. Pronounce it correctly, children. This is the word homonym. What is the homonym? So in the vocabulary part, we will be having the two words, children. Homonyms and the homophones. Okay. So homonyms and the homophones. So this is the first one. And second one I will be explaining you later on. They are the homophones. P-H-O-M-O-P-H-O-N-E-S. Right? So what are homonyms and what are homophones? So these two things we are going to learn in this section, children. Right? Everybody are understanding, I think, what are homonyms and what are homophones. Homo, the words are same. But here, nyms in the first one he has given, phones he has given. Okay, so here don't think that phones means not our mobile phones. Okay, not our cell phones, children here. So just we are going to describe, we are going to learn something. Some words are there in our English which are known as the homonyms and which are known as the homophones. Okay, before going to see what are those words, which are those words for whom we are going to call the homonyms and for whom we are going to call the homophones. Okay, we don't know. Before going to start, we will be having the definition. We should have to know the definition of homonyms and the homophones, right? So first one. Definition, children. First one definition is, okay, what is homonyms? Homonyms means the words, okay, the words which have the same spelling, which have the same spelling, S-P-E-L-L-I-N-G, children. Okay, the words which have the same spelling, but they, T-H-E-I-R, but they, not children, but they, T-H-E-Y, but they differ, D-I-F-F-E-R, but they differ in meaning. Okay, so everybody have understood, I think, what is the homonyms? What are homonyms? The words which have the same spelling but they differ in meaning. Okay, so in simple words we can say that some words will be having the same spelling, children. Okay, they will be having the same spelling but they have different meanings. They have the different meanings. So whenever you are speaking in English languages, you will be having these similar words. You will be having the similar words, but you will be using the similar words according to the situation what you are talking, children. Right? So here everybody understood, I think. The words which have the same spelling but they are different in meaning. Sir, you told the definition, but we need one example, right? Surely I will be giving one example here. Example, children. Okay, example. CLASS class is given, right? Class. Based on this class, we will be having the two sentences. What are those two sentences means? VVS Lakshman, L-A-X-M-A-N. VVS Lakshman, who is one of the greatest batsmen of our Indian team, cricket team, right children? So VVS Lakshman is a top class batsman. Okay, top class batsman. So VVS Lakshman is a top class batsman. Here class has came here. Okay, the class has came here. Now one more class we are adding here. Now SRUTHI, Shruti, name of a girl. Shruti is in class. Here class has came here. Class 8. Okay, so keep the full stop children. This is the end of the sentence here. So VVS Lakshman is a top class batsman. Shruti is in class 7. Now, so this word class is giving meaning in two ways children. How many ways? Two ways. What are those ways? VVS Lakshman, who is one of the greatest batsmen, is a top class batsman. Top class is nothing but he is one of the famous batsmen. Okay, one of the famous top batsmen who belongs to our Indian cricket team. Top or famous we can consider. Top class is nothing but he is one of the famous batsmen. Now that famous meaning will not come. Shruti is in class 7. That means Shruti is not famous in the class here. Shruti is in class 7. Class is nothing but here. For this word class, standard. Okay, standard. She is in 8th standard. That is the meaning children. So here famous class means famous. Top class is nothing but a famous batsman. Here this class is nothing but the standard here. Okay children. So the words are same. Class. The words are same. Here I told you same spelling. CLASS, having the same spelling, but they differ in meaning. But that means they have the two different meanings. So this kind of words are known as what here? These kind of words are known as the homonyms. What are those? Homonyms children. Hope everybody have understood the definition of the homonym. Once again I am telling here the words which have the same spelling but they have different in meaning, but they are different in meaning. This kind of words are known as the homonym. Now what are homophones? Second one children, everybody go through. Second one, the words which have what children here? Same pronunciation. 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 What is this? Pronunciation. Whatever the words we are speaking in English, it should be having some pronunciation, no? So the words which have the same pronunciation but different differ in spelling. SPELLING. Different spelling and meanings also children. MEANINGS, meanings. Okay, so right. See here. Now we are talking about the homophones. What are the homophones? The words which have the same pronunciation. That means the way of sounding is the same here. Same pronunciation, but they have the different spelling and meaning also. Okay, so you will be having the differences between the homonyms and the homophones children. Later, after the completion of this definition, we will be dealing with the differences also. Okay, right, see here. So everybody have understood it. The words which have the same pronunciation. How we have same pronunciation? Class, no? Same pronunciation, but the spelling is different in the homophones and the meaning is also different. Okay, so one extra thing you are seeing here children, right? So here the words have the same spelling, but here quite opposite. In homophones, opposite to the homonyms. Okay, spelling is same, here spelling is different. Meaning is different. Here it is same, meaning is different. Okay, Next one extra thing what we are seeing here, for these homonyms pronunciation is same, in this also the pronunciation is the same, children, right? So you need one example, I think. Example, okay, so we can take the example here. SOME, sum is one word, children. So this is the one word and this is the second word. SUM, sum. Okay, if we write these two words in the sentence, the students have some knowledge. Okay, the students have some knowledge. The student, STUDENTS, students have some knowledge, KNOWLEDGE, knowledge. Okay, knowledge is nothing but some interest they have in it. Okay, some information they had. The student have some means in little quantity, they have little bit of quantity, they have little knowledge. Okay, the quantity we are telling, have some less quantity of knowledge, have some knowledge. Now SUM, sum is nothing but this sum from chapter 2 is very tough, 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 children. So here SUM has given here, right? Now we will know the differences here. See, here SOM is sum, giving the same pronunciation. SUM, sum, this is also giving the same pronunciation. Yes, so some giving the same pronunciation, but their meaning is different. Yes or no, children? Have you gone through? SOM is sum is given, SUM, the spelling is different. Here in the first sentence, the meaning is different. Second one, the meaning is different. Here some students have, the student have, okay, the student have some knowledge. That means some students have little bit of knowledge. Some is nothing but little bit. This sum from chapter 2 is very tough. Sum is nothing but a problem. Okay, we will be having many problems in the mathematics, children. So that is called the sum. Okay, right. So everybody have understood, I think so. So here are the definition. These are the definitions of the homonyms and the homophones. Now later on we will know the. Now we are going to know the differences. What are the differences between the homophones and the homonyms? Okay, children. So this is enough for us. What does this mean? Homonyms. These are the homonyms and these are the homophones. Let us divide these two words in different boxes. Okay. First we will go to the first point. Whenever you are going to write any word in English, okay, you will be starting with some letters with spelling, children. Spelling. We are talking about the spelling here. So in the homonyms, you will be finding what? One by one we will write here. In the homonyms, you will be writing the about the spelling. Same spelling. Okay, it has same spelling. Okay. In homophones, we will be having the different spelling. We will be having the different spelling. Second one is the pronunciation. After writing the spelling here, we will pronounce it, children. So in the homonyms, you will be having the same pronunciation. We will be having the same pronunciation, right? In homophones, we will be having the same pronunciation. You will be having the same pronunciation. Now third one, about the meaning, right? What is given here but different in meaning. This same spelling, okay, they have the same pronunciation but different meaning. Here also you will be having the different meaning. Right. So these 3 points are the differences in these two things. Now we are going to write the examples here. Examples. Right. So here, suppose we are writing about a fair. Fair. We can take this fair as an adjective, and one more fair we can take it as a noun. Okay, children. So in the homonyms you will be finding this kind of differences. Next, in the homophones you will be having the differences in what way, children, means no, K-N-O-W, no, B-L-E-W, blue, B-L-U-E, blue. Okay, now see here. So these are the differences between homonyms and the homophones. In the first case, if you don't know the differences, if you remember this table, children, you will be easily write the definition of homonyms and the homophone. First one, in the homonyms, you will be having the same spelling, the words which have the same spelling. Okay, and the spelling will be having the same pronunciation, but they have different but they have different. Here different spelling is D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different. Okay, so same pronunciation, the words which have the same spelling and they have the same pronunciation, but they have different meaning. The example is fair. Fair, in the sense we are going to write the adjective. Fair. She is a fair girl. Fair girl means beautiful. She is a beautiful girl. Fair. F-A-I-R, fair is nothing but noun. Jatara in Telugu, children, fair. Okay. So in every villages you will be having some fair. Okay. So for the words we can tell the fair in the noun form. We can use this fair in the noun form also. Next one, in the homophones. In the homophones, you will be having the words will be having the different spelling. See here, different spelling. No, K-N-O-W, no. Here only 2 words are there. Here 4 words are there, but their pronunciation is same. Okay, children, their pronunciation is same, but they have different meaning. No means rejecting or refusing. We can tell. K-N-O-W, no means knowing some information, knowing some secret. Right. Blew. Some air was blew in the balloon. Blew in the air. Blowing the air in the balloon. Blow. Okay. Next one. B-L-U-E. Blue is nothing but the name of the color, children. Right? Name of the color. So everybody might have understood this topic. I think so. The differences between in the beginning I have told the difference definitions of the homonyms and the homophone. Now this is the table for the differences between the homonyms and in the homophones. Okay, so hope everybody might have understood, I think, children. So in the next class we are going to deal with another new vocabulary part, children. So keep watch this video. Bye to everybody.